Good morning everyone, welcome back to another Oliver's Cars and Reviews YouTube video where you join me here at Eagle Farm here in Brisbane for the final Joe's Diner car meet for 2025. So this should be absolutely amazing. We got cars rolling in and just cars and even more cars and bikes. So this should be pretty friggin' amazing, and cannot wait to share with you all the nice cars that are here at Joe's Diner this morning. But anyways, let's get to the cars, shall we? This should be a pretty fun morning here in Eagle Farm, here at Joe's Diner for the final Joe's Diner Cars and Coffee for 2025 OCAR. XB Falcon hardtop, so cool. Corvette Stingray 79 model, very beautiful. SSV Redline Series 2 Commodore. Look at that, that's awesome. 56 Chevy, that's nice. L-Plater R34 Skyline, awesome. Firebird, XR8, V8s, very nice. Got the Gemini, very awesome. Skyline, got 32 Skyline. Ford Torino, looks awesome. XC Falcon, Tirana. .370Z Nismo, Ferrari 360, that's pretty cool. The 430, Ferrari 430. SLR 5K, RS3, Audi RS3, that's awesome. That's you. 32 Hot Rod, look at that. Beautiful 430. Nice Commodore. Nice. Ford Galaxy, 62 Ford Galaxy. Nice. 54 Chevy, very nice. Look at this rat rod thing. That is cool. That's CRX7. Hyundai Veloster. HKU. Pantera G Tabasco. XR8. BF. XR6 Turbo FG, Chevy Camaro, look at that, 66 Mustang, fastback, look at the Corvette, that is nice, that is a nice Lancer wagon, that is. 67 Camaro, 28 Hot Rod, beautiful. Plymouth, Tirana. XWGT. Look at that. Oh. GBS, HSV. Very nice HR. Nice Valiant. Got an HSV Maloo. Very nice. Kingswood, HT Kingswood. We've got a Mark 1 Ford Escort. Look at that. Amazing. I'll say best car I've ever driven. All cars rolling in. LC Tirana. There's the Gemini. F100, F250 actually. It's pretty cool. VL Turbo, VL Commodore. That's a 120Y. Pretty cool. 67 F100. Pretty cool. Got R34 Skyline on it. That's very cool. Tirana, SLR 5000 inspired. Gladiator, that is awesome. Dune buggy, look at that. 62 Chevy. XR6U, Mark II. That's awesome, like that. And our Volkswagen Kombi, awesome. We've got the Canary LOVL BT1. Oh, yeah. What's going on with this man's engine? It's smoking. Lord. Oh, nice view. We got rotary, Michael Turbo number. Awesome. The Tirana. Look at that. GDSR. Very cool GDSR. I got this rusty king, love it. Love it. EH. Nice. I got LC Tirana. I got an EH Ute over here. That looks nice. Ooh. EH Commodore. Got a GTR. Ford Falcon XY GDHO Phase 3. Look at this S2000. That is awesome. Got a SS. It's nice. Calais. Very nice. VH Commodore, that's nice. Oh, we've got an E36 BMW here, very nice. XY GDHO Phase 3 Falcon. HT Wagon, very cool. Ford Capri, that's a nice Capri. HT, love that HT Belmont. Another HT. Another Ford Falcon. Wagon, that's cool. We've got Trouble, EH Holden, awesome. We've got the Wagon. VY Wagon. A9X Tirana. Very nice hatchback Tirana. We got this thing, the Kia Stinger. Absolutely fantastic this car looks. Monaro 2-door HQ. Look at that thing. What is that? Ford or something? Ford Ute? Oh, 73 SS Camaro. Look at that. Fantastic. SLR 5K. That is nice. Got a chook hooker. We've got a chook hooker. That's a 323 protege. Stato, top Stato. VG. Look at this, we've got a Lancia Delta Integrale. That is awesome. Don't see that every day. That is wicked cool. Oh, it's got the UK plate on the back. I don't know if that's legal or not. True. Oh, a Gemini rally car. That's cool. Got the Block Boys. What do you want the Block Boys? Little jet. That is awesome. All these bikes, wow. Yeah, Bug-Eye WRX. That's cool. STI too. Corvette, 71 Stingray Corvette. That is awesome. C8 Corvette. Maloo, HSV Maloo. HR Holden. Premier. Chevy Camaro. That's an awesome Camaro. Which is nice again. Ford Galaxy. Look at that rusty thing. I love it. With the HR Holden. 56 Chevy. A9X Tirana. Another Tirana. Oh, it's cool. Top Sport wagon. Look at that. That is nice. GDSR Maloo. Ford Falcon XY GDHO Phase 3. Look at that Volkswagen bus. XR6 Falcon. We've got the panel van. We've got the surf life happening. Commodore. Very nice. Fat LS, that's awesome. Empire Auto Garage. Another HSV, that's awesome. GDS. Hey! VH. Got a DeLorean over there, that's cool. '57 Chevy. Hey mate, how you going? Nice. Very nice. MG TF, that's awesome. TF Roadster. There's more cars. There's just more cars. Look at the Mustang. That's a cool spec Mustang. Wow. Like that. Very cool. Got a 67 Mustang. Got a Beetle. Love the Beetle. A Jeep. Old school Jeep. I love it. Got the clubby, very beautiful clubby. GDO or GDS. Firebird, that is cool. That's an old school Ranger. That's pretty cool. Two-door Tirana. 56 Ford Custom line. Look at the custom grille too. That's awesome. Yo, is that a Supra? That's awesome. Really nice Mark IV Supra. EJ Special. Rambler, old school Rambler. It's beautiful. SS Group A, looks awesome. Up a bit further. There's just cars everywhere. Commodore, very beautiful. C5 jet, awesome. So let's start off. We've got an R33 GTR. That looks amazing. Also got a Toyota Echo Yaris, which is awesome. Got a couple of bikes, very nice. Nice Datsun 13B. SSV Redline. Very nice Club Sport. VL Turbo. So we've got a GDSR HSV. Love the GDSR, that looks fantastic, that does. GDS, HSV GDS. We also got the very nice Camaro here too, beautiful. Got more cars and just more cars coming in. XWGT. Got a Tirana, SLR 5000. Ford Galaxy. Oh no, Plymouth. It's a 69 Plymouth, convertible too. HR Holden, we've got a Hot Rod, 28 Hot Rod. HK Kingswood, very nice. This thing I love, which is the is a Lancer wagon. Love the Lancer wagon. Davidson, we also got a C3 Corvette. SSV Redline U. Beautiful. Oh, sorry. Ford Fairlane GT. That is awesome. Hyundai Getz. We've got a XCRX7, Hyundai Veloster, Honda S2000, which is cool. VY wagon, love the VY wagon. VT, nice VT. We've also got an FDRX7, that's nice. XY GDHO Phase 3 Ford Falcon. Old Monaro. It's got a supercharged V8. Also got a Fairlane as well. That's very nice. cars just coming in. They don't stop coming in. Beautiful. That is awesome. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this thing is pretty cool. Well by Rexy. Club Sport. Another Club Sport. Done. Real Falcon. We've got the panel van too. 56 Chevy. Also got the Gemini rally car too, which is awesome. Also got this Galaxy, 66 Galaxy with a turbo barra. That is awesome. Pretty cool. SS Camaro. Very nice SS Camaro. And also got Toronto here too. That is nice. E3 GTS, GT Patrol, there's an XE wagon, that's nice. XD Falcon, or 302 Cleveland, GTS Monaro, very nice GTS Monaro. XR Falcon, look at XR Falcon, that's nice. LC Toronto. C63 AMG as well. It's got a 6.2 litre V8. VL Commodore. HR Holden. Beautiful. Also got a VY Maloo here, or VZ Maloo, something like that. Very beautiful. Citroen DS, I love it. I love the Citroen DS. I love it. VN, that's nice. Oh, nice VN. Beautiful. Oh, S15. S15 Sylvia. Beautiful Sylvia. XM Falcon. That is nice. Beautiful. '33 Skyline. That looks fantastic, that does. And we also got another R33 Skyline with R34 GTR seats in there as well, which is awesome. We also got another R32, we've got it here. Beautiful R32 Skyline. Holden Colorado, Rodeo, awesome. HSV, GTS, and we also got a Kia Stinger. That looks awesome, that does. F6, FPV F6, it's fantastic. Oh, look at this beauty. GTS Monaro. Awesome. Looks cool. 57 Chevy. Sublime. And we also got a C10 pickup. Fabulous. We got VK Commodore. SS Brock. Also got a VT SS. We also got this thing as well that showed up. This beautiful C5 Corvette. And he's a P-plater too. That's not legal, but hey, awesome. I also got this thing, Silverado, so C10, absolutely love it. I also got this thing, which is a VY V8 supercar livery, but it's a normal Commodore, but it's got the V8 supercar stuff, which is absolutely amazing. I absolutely love the livery. V8 supercars back in the day looked absolutely killer, and this one is no exception. Then we got the beautiful Stato here. Have a look at that. That looks fantastic, this does. Beautiful cars here out here at Joe's Diner. That is cool. Look at this, R35 GTR Nismo. That is awesome, Godzilla. Beautiful. That's a camera. Yeah, Insta360 camera. Original VL Walkinshaw. That is nice. That is beautiful.
Lovely, it's good.
I love that.
Wow.
Hey, look, it's like yours.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. I sold it for $700.
Yep, good. Oh, that is cool. Australian made Chevy Ute.
Oh, that's good.
That's Australian made. 67, 66 Impala. That's Corvette. Top 350. Oh, nice. Awesome. Oh, look at this. Grange. Very nice Grange. VL Commodore and MX-5. Awesome. 34 Skyline sedan. Look at that.
Another lot gone.
Evo. Look at that. Hey. Blazing, look at that, XP Falcon. We've got Datsun, very nice Datsun. Scott, look at the mirror on that. We've got another Rexy here. That's awesome. Oh, the C5 Corvette. That is awesome. We've got SSV Commodore. This is a SS Commodore VE. It's a wagon. Looks very nice.
Yeah.
We've got a SLR 5000. That looks nice. LC Tirana. Very nice LC. Also got an EH Holden Ute. Also got a Kia Stinger here, Techno, absolutely fantastic this is. Beautiful. Also got a VN Commodore here as well, and also got another VN Commodore which is a V8 Turbo. That looks fantastic. Pantera di Tommaso, you know how it is. Fantastic Pantera di Tommaso. Then we've got a 370Z Nismo here, and also got a Shelby AC Cobra replica. That looks absolutely fantastic, that does. Very nice 32 Ford. Beautiful. Be up. We've got a really nice Corvette here. Official pace car. Indianapolis 500. MX-5. We also got a VL Commodore. Statesman DeVille. Fantastic. Look at this one. Very, very nice Sandman panel van. Very nice. Oh, it's a XZ. That's nice. Ford Galaxy. Very nice Ford Galaxy. We also got a VZ Top Sport. Very nice XR6 Turbo. That looks awesome. We also have a Combi, Volkswagen Combi here. Looks fantastic. And we also got a Tough 350, very nice Kingswood. We also got a VB Commodore, the VC, that's a VC, that's very nice. VESS, fantastic. SSV too. Got the Torino leaving, fantastic. XC Falcon, see ya. Commodore leaving. That's cool, the bike. VK Block SS Commodore. That is nice. Beautiful. 57 Chevy wagon. That looks killer. Looks killer.